Just about everything you've heard about how to achieve a fulfilling life is wrong. The worst thing any coach or class could tell you is to think positive. I mean, what if something doesn't go as planned? And it often doesn't. It's called life. See, here's what makes the 90-day game different. As you know, life is a series of ups and downs, and the ups are just fine. You know how to handle those. But it's the valleys that are challenging. And you've probably been conditioned to an association with these valleys that is not particularly helpful. So what we do in the game is we help you to see the value within those valleys. The secret to life and the happiness of life does not come from any method. It doesn't come from any author or guru. The secret lives within you. It is our sole mission to evoke your greatness, that greatness that you already possess. That's the key to true and lasting happiness. I'm John Filito, the creator of the 90-Day Game, and it's time to play.